Friends, welcome to my channel. Dhanesh here.
In physics, two wave sources are perfectly coherent if their frequency and waveform are identical and their phase difference is constant. Laser light is an example of coherent source of light. Quantum coherence deals with the idea that all objects have wave-like properties. If an object's wave-like nature is split in two, the two waves may coherently interfere with each other in such a way as to form a single state, that is, a superposition of the two states. Quantum coherence and quantum entanglement are two landmark features of quantum physics, and now physicists have demonstrated that the two phenomena are operationally equivalent, that is, equivalent for all practical purposes, though still conceptually distinct. This finding allows physicists to apply decades of research on entanglement to the more fundamental but less well researched concept of coherence, offering the possibility of advancing wide range of quantum technologies. Although physicists have known that coherence and entanglement are close relatives, the exact relationship between the two resources has not been clear. It's well known that quantum coherence and quantum entanglement are both rooted in the superposition principle, the phenomenon in which a single quantum state simultaneously consists of multiple states but in different ways. Quantum coherence deals with the idea that all objects have wave-like properties. If an object's wave-like nature is split into two, then the two waves may coherently interfere with each other in such a way that as to form a single state, that is, a superposition of the two states. This concept of superposition is famously represented by Schrodinger's cat, which is both dead and alive at the same time, which in its coherent state inside a closed box. Coherence also lies at the heart of quantum computing, in which a qubit is in a superposition of the 0 and 1 states, resulting in a speed up over various classical algorithms. When such a state experiences decoherence, however, all of its quantumness is typically lost and the advantage vanishes. The second phenomenon, quantum entanglement, also involves superposition, but in this case, the state in a superposition are the shared states of the two entangled particles rather than those of the split waves in a single particle. The intrigue of entanglement lies in the fact that two entangled particles are so intimately correlated that a measurement of one particle instantly affects the other particle, even when separated by a large distance. Like coherence, quantum entanglement also plays an essential role in quantum technologies such as quantum teleportation, quantum cryptography, and superdense coding. This book is written in 1950. Nobel laureate Erwin Schrödinger's What is Life is one of the great science classics of the 20th century. It was written for the layman but proved to be one of the spurs to the birth of molecular biology and the subsequent discovery of DNA. The book focused on how can the events in space and time which take place within the spatial boundary of a living organism be accounted for by physics and chemistry. In the book, Schrödinger introduced the idea of an aperiodic crystal that contained genetic information in its configuration of covalent chemical bonds. In the 1950s, the idea stimulated enthusiasm for discovering the genetic molecule DNA. So this is the life in quantum level.
Next thing I want to discuss is about photosynthesis. How quantum coherence helps in photosynthesis in living cells. Let's see. See, quantum coherence deals with the idea that all objects have wave-like properties. If an object's wave-like nature is split in two, then the two waves may coherently interfere with each other in such a way as to form a single state, that is a superposition of the two states. A quantum system can exist in multiple states or places at the exact same time. In other words, something can be here and there or up and down at the same time. It's magical. See, photosynthesis is the process by which green plants and certain other organisms like bacteria transforms light energy into chemical energy. During photosynthesis in green plants, light energy is captured and used to convert water, carbon dioxide and minerals into oxygen and oxygen-rich organic compounds. The world of science was shocked when a paper was published about the experimental evidence for the quantum coherence happening inside the bacteria during photosynthesis. Quantum coherence happens inside a living cell. When two quantum-sized particles, for example a pair of electrons, are entangled, any change to one will be instantly reflected in the other, no matter how far apart they might be. Though physically separated, the two particles act as a single entity. There is strong evidence for quantum entanglement in noisy, non-equilibrium system at high temperatures by determining the timescales and temperatures for which entanglement is observable in a protein structure that is central to photosynthesis in certain bacteria. This research is done by Berkeley Lab in US. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks a lot.